Alright, so this is a lawnmower that my mom was going to take to the scrapyard many years ago. Got it off of her. So anyway, I took the deck off of it. The deck's over there, can't see it because it's dark. But anyway, took the deck off of it. I'm going to do something with it. Probably turn it into a tiller or just a regular old long tractor. Do something with it. Anyway, took the starter off of it. Motor still turns over. Sounds like it's got some good compression. But had to take the starter off of it because the starter was locked up. Wouldn't turn over. Gonna have to put an ignition switch on it. Something's wrong with the ignition switch. Had a fuse. The fusible link was messed up. Look at there. That fuse was messed up. Took that out of the equation. But look at here. Took the starter apart. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit. Put it back together. She spins over. Put a little It's fine. It's fine. I forgot that's got gas on it too. Ha! She'll fire. She'll catch on fire.